Hey everyone, welcome back to Tier 1 Autohaus. I'm Eric, and behind me we have a brand new Rivian R2. This, I believe, is the first one in Nevada. Here, what we did was a custom stealth conversion. Now, what I mean by custom, right, is that we basically took patterns, modified them, and extended every single edge so that we could roll every single edge. Now, by everything, I do mean everything. Headlights, the lower portion of the bumper, all of the black trim, so the window trim, the roof, the pillars, were all done in Xpel's 10 mil paint protection film. And to top everything off, right, we went ahead and did a full ceramic coating on the vehicle. So everything from the PPF, the glass, the trim, the plastic trim, the lower trim, and the wheel faces to, kind of just protect everything from the UV and the heat here in Vegas. So now with this being one of the newer models, you would expect to have, challenges and difficulties with the install. That was actually not the case. This was, I would say, one of the easier and more enjoyable installs to do as far as doing installs on a Rivian. Now, with this being the first one, we do expect a lot more in the near future. So to all you R2 owners, what would you do? Would you do stealth or would you do gloss when choosing PPF for your car? So if you are interested or would like more information on getting your car PPF'd, feel free to contact us. All of our contact information will be in the description below.